Well, but let's go, boys. Okay. Good morning, my friends. Good morning. You know, I'm not from the camping site this morning. I'm over here still in Slovenia and the place called the Mountain Saddle. It's a Triglavski Narodni Park. That means it's a nature reservoir of Triglavski. And you know what? Look what a views I have. Look what a views I have. To come here cost me 10 euro. I have to pay it. Just a minute. English. Okay, and then go back the same way, yes? 10 euro you said, yeah? So 9 kilometers up now, yeah? 9 kilometers ride, so about 6 miles ride, a little less, to the top. Look at the views. It's not the route I'm supposed to take it, but you know what? I don't care anymore. If it's beautiful, I'll go there. Oh, that's some serpentine over here. Fun one. Look at these mountains. Look. Unbelievable views. And that's already Alps. I'm like 10, 15, maybe 20 kilometers from Italian TET. I'm gonna go there. And you know what? I realized I'm not gonna be able to make to Portugal via TET. No chance. Because if I wanna film and do everything, I'm not gonna be able to do it. But as long as weather like this, I'm gonna go Italian TET. I'm gonna try to cross everything till I reach France. Then I'm gonna go France TET. And so I'm not gonna go all the way down to Italian TET because I don't have to, because I need to cross the mountains, go to French TET. Anyway, but the views are awesome. We have perfect beginning of the morning, beginning of the day. Welcome to Italia! Hey! We arrived. And that's where official TET of Italia starts.
Sometimes I feel like crying, but the tears just won't fall.
My Osman completely doing BS. And I cannot even follow the track. Oh, that pisses me off. Because it's just so slow. So my tablet decided that it's gonna be upside down now. What's up, Samsung, with you? Come on now. So now I need, instead of riding, I have to sit by the road and try to figure out how to do that. Because otherwise everything is upside down. But that's probably because it gets some water or something like that, and that's what is happening. At least we have a beautiful view to work with. And I'm not sure, is it the tablet, is it Osmond, what's happening? I think that's Osmond what's acting weird right now. Oh. Well, that kills the enjoyment and experience of such a beautiful views. And it's just because so slow you cannot even, I don't know what to do. I passed it like, half kilometer already. Nothing else frustrates more than the technology. Oh my god. Had to completely delete it, reinstall, download maps of Italy, and now I start again. And we'll see how it's gonna track. Still another one thing, gonna be able to do, clear the cache of Samsung tablet. That's where did we have to go here? I'm not sure, because this is not working still. Oh my god, it's still going at the previous route. No, and I'm not sure what's wrong with that. Is this tablet or is this Osmond? Beautiful, beautiful Italian town. Gonna let him go. TET Riders with the dirty bikes. Oh. Take the jacket off, too hot. In this beautiful country, we met two Englishmen from England and an Australian man from England. So, and what's the name?
Gary.
Gary and... Yeah,
Oh.
show your handsome face.
Aussie Jim. Aussie Jim.
Aussie Jim. Aussie Jim.
Yeah.
Okay, so, and those guys, what, they are traveling right now all the way Italian TET. You did some French TET as well, yeah?
We've
Yeah.
done English TET, French TET, Swiss TET? No, not Swiss.
No.
You
Italian, Slovenian, Croatian.
When you drive like doing the TET, you like lost in space.
Yeah.
You don't care, you just go.
Don't know what day it is. You forget what day it is.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
get lost.
So
Whatever
he's like
happens.
Dr. Spock.
I went this morning to buy stuff and I forgot it's Sunday. Everything's shut.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, but you know, like every morning I need to look at my phone to see what day it is.
Yeah.
Because you're just like going and going and going and going. But anyway, look at these mountains over here. What we have over here. Really, really, really awesome. And I think with the time now it's gonna get just better and better. And for now, Italian TET is just tarmac. We'll see how we're gonna get in this section some gravel road. Well, we just got over there to remember what does it mean to be on a gravel. And we decided we're gonna go together. My tablet got too hot. I left it just on the sun and it got too hot. So now I don't even have the track to follow, so I just need to follow those gentlemen, or these gentlemen, Englishmen from England or one Australian from England.
Sometimes I feel like dying. No one really cares at all. But there's hope in the wind. I feel it on my skin. And the sun is warming the cold land that I suffer in. I take the high road every time. I take the high road every time.
Love going through those little towns.
There are mountains I've been climbing for some time now. All my bones buried in valleys.
So we found like this little sign over here riding, and it's like says, you know, just turn to the side, maybe gonna get some food. And the guy said like, let's go there. And looks like we are getting food, so we're gonna go check it out.
We're allowed in.
I love going like that. like between some cow shit and stuff like that, and then you get some awesome food sometimes. How beautiful it is. Look at that. Maybe jump over there so it's too hot. You know? It was cold in the beginning, not anymore. Look at this beautiful place over here. With a $1 million view. Our energy dish. You see, English people, they very shy with choice. They just take one and the same.
There was marijuana plants for miles and miles and miles.
It was so interesting.
And the smell was overpowering, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Are you filming us? Are you filming us?
No. I'll send it to you.
Okay, go
Don't know if I can.
Okay, guys.
Wait till he's ready.
Look,
No, you've got to do
now
it.
we have this very special drink. So when you guys coming over here, you see,
What do you say in Italian?
cheers.
Salute.
Salute.
That's a,
That's really good.
you see, a little thing what can do with a big man. Muchas gracias. Thank
Lay
you.
down.
That was a good one. That was a good one. I cannot drink because I don't.
That is more.
It was good to see people drinking.
I think that's enough.
So we're leaving this little place, Malga Rio Secco. Oof. So I have 210 kilometers of this section. No chance I'm making it today. No chance. But that's okay. With a good company, you know, you don't have to have a lot of kilometers. You have to have a good mood, good chat, with some good vibes. So many cars over here, what's happening? On such a tiny road. Looks like this part of TET is more about the views than on road conditions. But when the weather is like this, you know, everything looks much better. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Unbelievable. Look at that. If you fall down here, you better find the shortcut to get out of there. Otherwise, oof. Beautiful, beautiful TET road. Well, they're afraid to look to the side for too long. If you look too long, you see there's a motorcycle in front or the turn. So you definitely gotta pay attention what you're doing over here. That's how looks the guy who is tired from riding TET. Yeah. This guy is happy riding TET.
Good.
Nice meeting you again.
Good to meet you guys.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
thanks.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you too.
Well done, Nemo.
Take care.
You take care, mate.
Yeah, so I think we will pass each other one more time,
Yeah,
or maybe not even one. Ah, so we said goodbyes to awesome people from Great Britain, And we talked maybe we're gonna meet each other sooner than I think. We will see. We will see. But now more TET is waiting. Oh, I wish my navigation worked the way it's supposed to work, but looks like I'm gonna have to clean the catch. Or cache, how you say it, not catch, cache. Oh, we got some dirt road! Yeah!
There are memories I've been
Whoa!
ones that I forget. But this road that I've been traveling is not one of regret. There is hope.
Hello! Yo! Wow!
In the wind I feel it on my skin, and the sun is warming the cold land that I'm suffering.
Just air down like, I don't know, 2 kilometers ago, and now I need to go and air up again because now I'm gonna be going down in the tarmac, and I don't want to be with almost flat tires going down, because if I'm gonna have to do emergency braking, I might spin the tire. Look, oh, there is eagle. So cool. Look at that. Wow. So gorgeous. See guys, I'm not off-roading with the motorcycle, so I'm off-roading with my bags. My motorcycle has to stay down there, and I'm gonna be parked over here. So this is kind of very nice and beautiful place. See, mountains over there. Hope no rain tomorrow, and probably it's not gonna be. And I'm staying over here for the night. 16 euro for the place, with electricity included. I need an adapter. And now, in my beautiful, beautiful fazenda, we will start editing a new part. That means the part which one you are watching right now. So, see you in the next one. I think tomorrow gonna be more interesting than today, but I don't know. It was fun today, meeting new people, having good chat, having good ride together. Awesome. Thank you guys.